Hello, hello, hello. Today is Saturday, the 4th of November. My name is Andrei Buchins, and today I'm going to talk about what happened in cryptocurrency market in the last 24 hours. Okay, let's take a look. Firstly, Bitcoin. As you can see, the price is moving up. It has already taken out this liquidity from yesterday, and it looks like it's want to continue the climb. Before that, yesterday we had a drop. On this drop, we didn't enter the long position because it was not big enough, but it took out this liquidity. So nothing special is really happening, only liquidations on the both sides. The fresh liquidity is definitely here on the downside in these few hours. Anybody who went long yesterday in the last 24 hours has stop losses here open for sure. Yeah, and this is basically it. So I would rather look for long entry on the dips, maybe even here on this dip, on this price, and target what we have here. This, everything else is open territory. Okay, so I would say risk reward 1 to 3. Better to be safe. It looks like at the moment there are more longs open on Binance and on overall. So what does it mean? When there are more long positions, there is possibility of a long squeeze. That means the price goes down, and that's why I'm waiting here for this to happen. Okay, so this is it regarding Bitcoin, still consolidating, but I think in the next 2 years we will have a new bull run. So every dip should be bought and look at as opportunity to go long, not to go short. We are in hope phase of 4-year market cycles. So be patient, you will be rewarded. Regarding altcoin movements, we have a new meme coin on Binance launching yesterday with a big hype, of course, from Binance. Typically, when the new altcoin is released directly on Binance, they pump it and they dump it immediately, just enough to get the attention of the general public. And this is what you see on the graph here. Okay, then in most of the times it just consolidates, maybe pump a little bit and then goes down. I would not buy this. I don't think world need another meme coin. No, thank you. I would rather go further and look at the other coins that rose in price more than 10% in the last 24 hours. For example, this one, gas. This is gas, but as you can see, for gas, we are much too late to be looking an entry at the moment. Then we have rail protocol. This is the price action for REN. Let's take a look and see. What do we have here? We have ABC correction and first wave that is making a correction after ABC correction. This is this one. And here, a nice possible entry on this green price. If we enter here, we have a nice 14% and something final target, and we don't risk more than how much? More than 3.5%, 3.5%. Okay, this is the first trading idea. Then we have ARC. arc is also growing at the moment. We will see in a second what happened here. What do we have here? We have wave 1. This is done, and now wave 2. You can look for entry on the correction. Nice 50% correction of this wave would be here on this green price. This here. If we get an entry, we don't risk more than 8.5%. So around 22% of your portfolio can be bet on this idea. And we have a nice 4-to-1 ratio to 35 profit target. Let's take a look at next one. RIF. We have a lot of altcoins growing, so that means something. The traders are not scared that Bitcoin price will go down. Okay, this tells us everything. Okay, this is RIF. We had wave 1, only 38.2 correction. Now it's growing, but we have to wait for the second wave to form and then look for entry. Then we have Ontology Gas, ONG. This looks like, we will see in a moment. We will see how does it look like. ONG. Okay, this is the graph. You can see we are too late on this one. Then let's look at Badger. And then we have a few more. There are a lot of altcoins growing at the moment. This is nothing yet. You will see next year and in 2 years, there will be a lot of more action on altcoins. This is wave 1 and wave 2, not happened yet. Let's look at Neo. And then status and the reserve rights protocol. We have a lot to cover today. Firstly, Neo, altcoin from 2017. This is Neo. Neo is good to look for an entry. This was the top of the wave that began here. So this green price would be entry price. Stop loss I would put a little less than 6% lower, 5.72%. Okay, that means don't risk more than 33%. And this is it. Then we have status. And reserve rights protocol. Firstly, status. I think that will be enough for today. You have enough trading ideas for today. This is status. We have nothing here. Okay, and reserve rights protocol. The last one we will take a look at. Okay. Let's take a look again. What happened here? This was wave 1 was here. This is wave 2. We can look for entry for the wave 3, which is usually the biggest one. And that would be on this green price with a stop loss around 4.5% and final target of 4 times that. And this is it. This is it, yes. This is it for today. Have a great Saturday. Like and subscribe to my channel, and see you all again tomorrow. Goodbye.